Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of We Roar Together, a show where fans from Delhi Capitals and away teams get together to have a discussion on cricket. So, what's there on our show today? Number one, it's going to be a battle between Rishabh Pant and Virat Kohli, which is Delhi Boy in blue versus Delhi Boy in red. Number two, we're going to talk about the overseas from Delhi Capitals and overseas from Royal Challengers Bangalore. Number three, we'll be talking about spinners from Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bangalore. Number four, we'll be discussing about the match day preparations from DC Toli and RCB 12th Man Army. Number five, it's going to be a battle between the two youngsters, the two speedsters from both the teams. I'm talking about Harshal Patel, or you can say Purple Patel, versus Avesh Khan or Indori Express. Number six, we'll be talking about the most interesting part of our show, that is fantasy cricket. There's a small quiz towards the end for the fans. So let's see if they can get it right or they can match the We Roar Together Fantasy 11. So let's get into the action with our fans and hear their opinions about their respective teams. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of We Roar Together, a show where fans from Delhi Capitals and away teams get together to have a discussion on cricket. And today, with me, I have two ladies from Delhi Capitals, from DC Toli, one lady from RCB, and one gentleman from RCB. So, I hope everyone is doing fine, everyone is safe. So, let's start the discussion with Varnata. Varnata, what do you think about this matchup between Virat Kohli and Rishabh Pant? One Delhi boy versus another Delhi boy.
I think it's one of the big game in the IPL right now. I mean, RCB was looking for top two spots, but unfortunately, we will not be able to make it. But again, it's interesting to see when Virat and Rishabh Pant are face to face. I mean, even during the toss time, it's going to be interesting. We have seen Virat Kohli and Dhoni like mentor and his shishya. So it's going to be similar thing. Virat will be the mentor, and we will see Rishabh Pant. But coming to match wise, yes, definitely it's a very big game for RCB. And after losing to SRH, I think some things have to be changed, which we can discuss today. But for now, for it's a very big game for RCB to continue
Well,
that winning momentum. Yeah.
well, that's great. I think Varnata has expressed her feelings about what they need to do it right in their 11 to win this match against Delhi Capitals. Srini, coming to you, how do you see this battle between Pant and Kohli? दोनों दिल्ली से हैं, आमने सामने होंगे, क्या होगा?
Yeah, so both are from Delhi, and I'm super excited वो देखने के लिए. And yeah, both have been performing well. So hoping for the best. कि पंत मुझे लगता है कि ज़्यादा थोड़ा अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा है एज कम्पेयर टू विराट कोहली. फेज वन में भी ही हैज़ बीन परफॉर्मिंग वेल. एंड जब हमारा पहला मैच हुआ था विद RCB फर्स्ट फेज में, पंत ने बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल नॉक खेला था. सो या इस बार भी वैसे ही खेलेंगे.
वेल दिल्ली फैंस यही होप कर रहे होंगे कि जो लास्ट मैच में देखने को मिला कि पंत और हिटमायर ने जिस तरह से वो इनिंग्स बिल्ड करके हमें लास्ट बॉल फिनिश तक लेके गए थे, दिल बी होपिंग इस बार वो जिस साइड पे थे लास्ट टाइम उसके ऑपोजिट साइड पे हो और रिजल्ट दिल्ली के फेवर में हो. आई थिंक बहुत कुछ है हमारे पास बात करने के लिए इस शो पे. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स. आरसीबी के पास है ग्लेन मैक्सवेल, एबी डिविलियर्स, डैनियल क्रिश्चियन, टिम डेविड, बहुत बहुत बड़े बड़े नाम है. On the other hand, Delhi have got someone like Kagiso Rabada, Enric Nokia, Marcus Stoinis, Sam Billings. So it's quite interesting that both have got some talented players, some overseas talent. So Sanjay, coming to you, how do you see what's going to be the combination for RCB for this match?
I think for this match, they should not try any new experiments. They should go with like Maxwell, ABD. It should be Tim David and George Garton, because George Garton is doing good here and there. He's leaking runs, but if he gets his line and length clear, I think he is able to take wickets. He's good with variations. He's reading the batsmen well. So I think benching, like resting Dan Christian would help against DC because we know what DC is. Even in the last first leg, it was almost a last ball game. So I think because even they're trying DC Daniel Christian as a floater and all. So I think it's like Tim David likely to replace him because we can get that finishing also. Why every time AB to handle the pressure? So Tim David can share little because we have seen him performing in CPL everything. How aggressive batsman is striking at 149. So I think for me one change is like Tim David info Christian.
Well, that sounds interesting. And interesting से मेरे को एक चीज याद आई लास्ट एपिसोड में माय फ्रेंड मेंशनड अबाउट द इंटरेस्टिंग मीटर बिकॉज आई हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ सेइंग दिस वर्ड अ लॉट. So Keshav, thanks to you for this suggestion. Ridhima, coming to you, DC के पास इतने ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स हैं. आई थिंक रबाडा नोकिया कंसिस्टेंटली खेल रहे हैं, हिटमायर भी कंसिस्टेंटली खेल रहे हैं. डू यू वांट टू सी एनी काइंड ऑफ चेंज ये जो ओवरसीज प्लेयर्स हम लोग खिला रहे हैं?
See, I would I have to appreciate all our overseas players. Like DC has some great picks, and apart from that, of course, we are missing Marcus Stoinis, and I really hope that he recovers well and he's there in further matches for us. And of course, I feel like we can give an opportunity to Sam Billings further in our matches. And yeah, I'm just missing Marcus Stoinis as of now.
Well, I think we've got a lot of Marcus Stoinis fans in our DC Toli. We know why, because he's our very own Hulk. So I think overseas की बात करें तो both teams contention में है because दोनों के पास इतने quality overseas players हैं. You can't even pick one side because you never know which one gonna click on their day. So अब spinners की भी बात कर लेते हैं. RCB has got Yuzi Chahal, शाहबाज अहमद एंड दिल्ली के पास अमित मिश्रा है, अक्षर पटेल है और रवि अश्विन है. सो Vanatha, coming to you, how do you see this matchup between Yuzi Chahal and Ravichandran Ashwin? Although they are a different bowler, Yuzi Chahal is a leg spinner, Ashwin is an off spinner. But do you think that it's going to be very difficult to pick one?
If I had to pick one, it's of course right now we all know how Yuzvendra Chahal has been playing, and he's just giving that answer again and again in every match to the selectors of World Cup that I am right here and you haven't picked me. Please look at the squad again. So again, definitely Yuzvendra Chahal was not in form in the phase one. We have seen, but we were hoping for his comeback, and which we are seeing right now. He's not leaking too many runs, but once he like the batsman hits the boundary, the next ball or the next to next ball there is a wicket. And every time when RCB needs a wicket, he gives us that breakthrough in after the power play. So again, looking forward to Yuzvendra Chahal versus Ashwin, and I think this battle will be won by Yuzvendra Chahal.
वेल दिल्ली फैंस, श्रीनित्या क्या लगता है कि चहल विकेट्स लेंगे या अश्विन विकेट्स लेंगे, या फिर बीच में हमें एक सरप्राइज पैकेज की तरह अक्षर पटेल देख सकते हैं?
या सो अक्षर पटेल से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं क्योंकि ही इज़ डूइंग फिनोमिनल जॉब. मतलब प्रेशर जो बिल्डअप करते हैं वो अपोजिट टीम के लिए. सो अक्षर पटेल से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं. लास्ट फ्यू मैचेस में भी हमने देखा कि ही इज़ फैंटास्टिक, ही इज़ डूइंग मतलब अमेजिंग एकदम. सो या अक्षर पटेल.
वेल आई थिंक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा. आई थिंक एक तरफ चहल हैं जो कंसिस्टेंटली विकेट्स निकाल रहे हैं. हमने देखा कि पंजाब के मैच में किस तरह से उन्होंने सरफराज खान को आउट करा था. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा ये देखना. वहीं पे अक्षर पटेल ने भी मुंबई के अगेंस्ट बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस करा. उसके बाद चेन्नई के अगेंस्ट भी हमें काफी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस उनसे देखने को मिली. बहुत ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है इस मैच में. और स्पिनर्स की हमने जैसे बात करी वैसे ही हम बात करते हैं आरसीबी से पर्पल पटेल and from Delhi, Avesh Khan. So Sanjay, coming to this, Harshal Patel, or as you say, Purple Patel, and Avesh Khan from Delhi Capitals, both have been doing phenomenally well for their respective sides. So how do you see who's going to take more wickets in this match?
Yeah, I think based on the previous matchup, like previous matches, I think it's Harshal Patel. I can't judge him. Even Avesh Khan is good with the economy. He's controlling runs in the death. That's a point to be mentioned. He's doing very good at death. He's having an economy of 7, I guess. 7 and he has taken 22 wickets. I think it's impressive. Harshal Patel, yes, he had a good economy in the start. That after that CSK wala match, everything went aside. That 54 runs changed his this thing. So as of now, for me, it would be tiebreaker: 2 wickets or 3 wickets and 3 wickets.
Well, बहुत ज़्यादा difficult है pick करना. Yeah, Varnata, go ahead.
So I think both have been doing very good. If you see Avesh Khan, although he's not getting as many wickets as Harshal Patel is getting, but then he has been performing phenomenal for Delhi Capitals this season. And when it's coming to Harshal Patel, I think he's having some another level of season this year. It's like out of syllabus. We were talking about that Harshal Patel is not going to pick wickets in Dubai. Even we as a fan, we as a RCB fan, weren't expecting this, but it's just out of syllabus. He's having some different level of season this time, and I think the pitches are slow. That's the reason he's having that right length, and everything is going well for him. Just hoping that he gets 33 wickets before the season ends, so that he becomes the highest wicket taker, and that's what we as a fan are expecting this year from Harshal Patel.
Well, I think एक तरफ जहां आरसीबी फैंस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं हर्षल पटेल को वो हाईएस्ट विकेट्स का रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करने के लिए, वहीं पे दिल्ली फैंस भी सोच रहे होंगे यार आवेश खान ज्यादा पीछे नहीं है, तो क्या पता एक दो मैचेस में उसकी भी हैट्रिक आ जाए और ही इज राइट अप देयर ऑन द चार्ट्स. सो another thing which we have to discuss before we get on to the fantasy cricket, that is the match day preparation of DC Toli and RCB 12th man army. So Srinitya, Ridhima, both of you have to tell how you both actually prepare for any match, any DC match. So Ridhima, will start with you.
Yeah, so like my match day preparations, like I have this kind of theory in my head. Like if I sit in this exact position with this flag here, like I've not removed this flag ever since the first match of DC in this league. So like this is my theory that if I keep this flag here and if I sit here exactly in this position, DC is going to win the match. And apart from that, I'm always seen in blue colors or in my DC jersey, and I'm enjoying the watch party with the DC Toli. So yeah, I'm very hyped and prepared for every match to do that.
And Srinitya, your preparations?
Yeah, so my preparations are like flags में पीछे लगाती हूँ और डीसी टोली की जर्सी पहनती हूँ. एंड आई ईट रसम राइस, मतलब रसम राइस मैं ज़रूर खाती हूँ मैच डे के दिन, वो लकी है. एंड डीसी वॉच पार्टीज अटेंड करना, उनके साथ मतलब हम पॉजिटिव वाइब्स भेजते हैं अपने प्लेयर्स के लिए. सो
या बहुत मजा आता है, वो ब्लू हार्ट्स हम लोग सेंड करते हैं अपने प्लेयर्स को पॉजिटिविटी के लिए. बहुत अच्छा लगता है वॉच पार्टी पे ये सब करना, प्लेयर्स को पॉजिटिविटी सेंड करना. वर्णता, संजय, हाउ डू यू प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर मैच डेज?
Sanjay, do you want to go first? Oh, I think he's stuck. He's gone for tomorrow's match already. So I think if it's weekend, we usually plan to go to RCB
Yeah,
Cafe
yeah.
or have a get together and watch together, like we did for last match versus Punjab. You would have seen that. But it's a weekday. It's office day for all of us. So again, सुबह उठते ही नहा लो पहले, फिर जर्सी पहन लो, फ्लैग व्लैग तो लगे हुए रूम में, बैठ जाओ पूरे दिन एंड देन जस्ट वेट फॉर इवनिंग. अच्छा 7 बज गया, अच्छा 10 बज गया, अच्छा टॉस टाइम हो चुका है, चलो देखने चलते टॉस. So that's how it is. I don't have anything which is lucky for me. It's just that when I go on Star Sports fan wall, my team loses it, so I am not going. बस वही एक चीज है. And then putting a story of game day, if I do it one night before, again my team loses the game, so I'm not doing that as well. Apart from that, during the match, we all keep texting us together in the group, like, oh ये हो गया, oh भाई ये catch क्यों छोड़ दिया, अरे वो catch लेना था. So these are the continuous texts we will be having. Like in a few seconds, there will be 10 texts at a time from everybody. Why did that happen? That should have happened. So this is what is our match time scenario. And post match, if we have won, we will be happy. If we did not win, we will be sitting and crying. That's all about it.
Well, that sounds pretty cool. Sanjay, you want to share something?
Yeah, more or less what she told is same. But one thing I tell is I just prepare myself to be alive at the end of the day, because we have seen RCB winning the matches in the last ball, last second, last over, which is like heartbreaking for us. Our heart will almost be out. It will be like 1 ball, 6 runs needed, and we'll think, oh, this wicket goes and he six. So that more or less then enjoying putting stories, just watching the match day videos, what 12th man army makes, then analyzing the team. Like I just analyze the team who might be in their weakness and bad. As in yesterday's match, I was pretty happy. In one of my lives, I just analyzed and I just spoke that Maxi versus Rashid will Maxi will battle. He'll smack Rashid. I told, and he did just the same. 50 runs of an over. That is
I think he's gone. संजय वी कांट हियर यू एट ऑल सनी मुझे एक और चीज बोलना था एबी डिविलियर्स के बारे में लाइक द प्लेइंग कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ आर प्लेइंग 11 व्हाट दे हैव बीन डूइंग इट इसको कहीं फिट कर देना मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ फिट करोगे बट ये था कि आरसीबी हैज बीन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग नंबर 3 पोजीशन फ्रॉम द फेस वन वी हैव सीन कभी शहबाज अहमद तो कभी सुंदर एंड आई एम रियली नॉट श्योर व्हाई दे आर डूइंग इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज प्लेऑफ्स इज जस्ट near the corner and experimenting number 3 right now is so wrong. I mean, to be honest, I felt so angry yesterday sending AB de Villiers at number 6, which is like useless. I mean, it's totally useless. You are telling him to go at number 6, you're giving him some 13 balls and telling him to, you know, perform a miracle out of that. Is I don't know what is happening with the management, but I like today माइक हेजन के प्रोफाइल में जाके मैंने लिटरली स्पैम किया है कि सर प्लीज सेंड एबी डिविलियर्स up the order and do not experiment with number 3 position. I'm so done with this playing 11 and experimenting. That don't experiment with the number 3. Let KS Bharat bat at number 3 and let AB de Villiers come at number 5 so that we are settled because KS Bharat was doing well at number 3. I'm really not sure why they are sending Dan Christian at number 3. And if they want some runs in the power play, KS Bharat was doing that. But why are they experiment right now? Like when we have just one match left and we are off to playoffs. So it was such a good opportunity to go in the top. To can you understand our pain? No. I mean, इतना हम कल रोए है ना हम सब मिलके. Only, I mean, why team doesn't understand this? I'm really not sure, but this is so frustrating. I mean, get AB at 5, give him some balls, let him play his game, and don't experiment with number 3. And if somebody from RCB team is watching this, please do this for us.
वेल देखना बहुत ज्यादा इस मैच में मजा आएगा और ये भी देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि जैसा वर्णता ने कहा कि कोई आरसीबी का मैनेजमेंट का बंदा ये देख रहा है तो प्लीज जो वर्णता सजेस्ट कर रही है वो चीज आप अप्लाई कर दीजिए. सो आई थिंक अब बात कर लेते हैं फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के बारे में. 4 स्पॉट्स खाली हैं, आप लोगों को 4 स्पॉट्स फिल करने हैं. तो संजय आई थिंक मैच के लिए पहले ही प्रिपेयर करने चला गया है. बोलते हैं मैं ये फैंटेसी 11 बाद में यहाँ डिस्कस करूंगा, पहले मैं अपनी प्रिपरेशंस करूंगा. तो वर्णता, श्रीनित्या, who wants to go first? Just raise your hand. Yeah, Srinitya, go ahead.
Yeah, so batsmen like Shreyas Iyer, wicketkeeper Rishabh Pant, all-rounder Ashwin, and bowler Nortje. Captain would be Rishabh Pant and vice captain Shreyas Iyer.
Well, बहुत ज्यादा आई थिंक डिफरेंट पिक्स हैं श्रीनित्या के इस फैंटेसी 11 में. देखते हैं कि टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द शो क्या होता है, क्या पिक्स होते हैं एग्जैक्टली वी रोड टुगेदर फैंटेसी 11 के. वर्णता, यू वांटेड टू गो नेक्स्ट, गो अहेड.
Yeah, fine. So batsman में Devdutt Padikkal, wicketkeeper AB de Villiers, all-rounder Ravichandran Ashwin, and the bowler Yuzvendra Chahal. And captain will be, it's so confusing. कौन खेलेगा पता नहीं मुझे. I'll pick Virat Kohli as captain and Maxi as vice captain.
Well, I would say spot on with your choices. I think Virat Kohli as a captain in this fantasy 11, and considering he's got a very good record against Delhi, so Delhi fans would be hoping he doesn't come good against Delhi, but you never know. When he is in rhythm, he can tonk the ball anywhere on the ground. So Ridhima, Sanjay, who wants to go next? Yeah, Ridhima, go ahead.
Yeah, so for my batsman pick, it will be Prithvi Shaw. For wicketkeeper, I'll go with Rishabh Pant. For all-rounder, I'll go with Ravichandra Ashwin, and for the bowler, I'll go with Avesh Khan. My captain would be Shikhar Dhawan, and my vice captain would be Maxwell.
Well, Sanjay, you are left now. Go ahead.
Yeah, my batsman choice DDP, wicketkeeper ABD, all rounder Ashwin, and bowler it's Mohammad Siraj. My captain would be Virat Kohli and vice captain Glenn Maxwell.
यार बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूज कर दिया है सब लोगों ने मुझे अपनी अपनी चॉइसेस इसमें बता के मतलब इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट टू पिक अ फैंटेसी 11 कंसिडरिंग कि वहां पे पॉइंट्स का क्लैश होता है क्रेडिट्स यार क्रेडिट्स कम पड़ जाते हैं इफ यू हैव टू गेट a combination which will fetch you more number of points you have to manage somehow so what we wrote together's fantasy 11 looks like let's have a look at it. In batting, we've got Shreyas Iyer, Shikhar Dhawan, Virat Kohli. Wicket keeper, we've got Sam Billings and KS Bharat. All rounder, Akshar Patel, Glenn Maxwell, Shahbaz Ahmed. Bowling, Kagiso Rabada, Avesh Khan, and Harshal Patel. And captain is Glenn Maxwell. Vice captain is Akshar Patel. Purely because of their performances in the previous matches they've played. So, any final thoughts before we wrap up the show? Yeah,
Yeah,
Ridhima,
I
go ahead.
would just like to say that all the best to both the teams, and I'm really looking forward to the match today. And I hope DC wins and retains their position at the top.
Well, Varnata, you want to say something?
No, I think it's going to be interesting matchup tomorrow, and just wishing them all the best. Let's, start the winning momentum from here. It's 4-4 from now. It's all do and die matches, all the four matches, and let's just win tomorrow and carry the winning momentum, because I don't want to lose and then start playing the eliminator match. Although we cannot go in top two now, it's frustrating for fans, but let's see what it is. This is what we have to accept it now. There's no other go. So let's play our game. Let's take one game at a time, and let's win all four for our skipper.
I can see Sanjay doing like this. He's just praying. Oh my God! Please win us the match. Please at least ये वाला जिता दो because बहुत हो गया. We've seen eliminators a lot of time. I think this time it'll be very interesting. I know पता नहीं ये interesting word से मुझे क्या प्यार हो गया है कि हर एपिसोड में ये इतना ज्यादा हो जाता है और इसी वजह से केशव ने सजेस्ट करा था वो इंटरेस्टिंग मीटर रखने के लिए सो आई थिंक काफी कुछ हमने इस शो पे डिस्कस करा है एंड लेट्स होप वी गेट टू सी अ क्रैकर जैकर ऑफ अ मैच टुडे अ लास्ट बॉल फिनिश प्रोबेबली Srinithya, your
या
any
बस
final
यही
thoughts?
चाहूंगी कि या दिल्ली कैपिटल्स जीत जाए एंड या अभी स्टॉयनिस को आई डोंट थिंक खिलाना चाहिए मैं चाहती हूँ सीधा क्वालिफायर 1 में खिलाए उसको थोड़ा और रेस्ट देना चाहिए
Well, Srinithya trying to be more, more, I would say, more protective type of a coach कि यार अभी इस प्लेयर को ना रिकवर होने में 1-2 दिन और लगेंगे चलो इस मैच में इसे रेस्ट दे देते हैं we'll use him like a ace card in the playoffs directly, right? Yeah.
राइट
So it was a very good show. I think बहुत ज़्यादा I really enjoyed it a lot. I think DC fans, RCB fans, एक बॉन्ड ऑलरेडी है हम लोगों का कि हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से बॉन्ड करते हैं एंजॉय करते हैं मैचेस और देखने में मजा आएगा कि इस मैच में क्या हो सकता है. So just before we end this show, DC Toli, what's up?
रोर मचा
Well, thank you everyone for being here on the show, for giving your time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a great day. And let's hope we get to see a very interesting match. Thank you.